what I see? Do you see what I see? That is the White House. Yeah,
Right now, the president is looking at us as,
the president lives there. The president of America.
well, no, I know. Day-to-day.
And then we cross the road. And there, the monument. And that is the White House where the President of America lives. So I think this is the furthest that we can go. Not so sure. See? Wow, look at that view there. That is a good view. Starting point of first Continental Motor Convoy over the Lincoln Highway.
0 miles.
June 5th, 1920.
Thank you for bringing me to the White House.
I don't think we can get any closer than this.
No, I don't think so either.
Because I was wondering if we can get on the other side, but I noticed it's all barricades and barriers.
No, this was perfect. This was perfect. Thank you for bringing us to the White House. We all appreciate it a lot. Right? Right? Say thank you. Look at that statue. Wow. Black and a piece of gold in her hand. Don't know who that is. Maybe we can read something about it here. Let's see.
Oh, yeah, it's a Boy Scout statue.
Wow. Look at that. And I bet that is absolutely real gold. Not even fake or gold plated. Boy Scouts of America. Boy Scouts of America. In grateful tribute to the men and women whose generosity, devotion, and leadership have brought scouting to the nation's youth, and to honor all members of the Boy Scouts of America who in days of peace and times of peril have done their duty to God and their country. This memorial was authorized by the Congress of the United States and erected in recognition of the 50th anniversary of the Boy Scouts. Oh, you have not been in America if you did not try how the street food. Relish and ketchup. There's a banana inside the roll.
How was your food truck hot dog?
No, it's delicious. Oh, it's done. Finish. Let me pick up my papers. Nice souvenirs. I wanna,
They're gonna overcharge that because they know you're not from America.
yeah, and
You'll pay
this
anything
is,
for a shirt that says America.
yeah,
But you can probably go to the dollar store and get
we get the same thing, yeah.
Oh, you got another fry.
$50 that's still American.
You want to check it out? We're right here.
Yeah, but you need to go get home for your dad.
Yeah.
That's true, I guess. The trains
If
are
you
new.
come to the monument, the White House, and you walk down this street, what is this, the name of the street? 100
Constitution Avenue.
Street in W100. And then you'll find this iconic piece of bicycle. I don't know. It's probably just been sitting there. Constitution Avenue. Are we going up here? Are we going up here?
We can go in.
We can.